everyone, and welcome back to my channel. I know it's been a little while, but I decided to get back into my game of recording videos. With 2020, it has been crazy. Maybe I'll do a little catch-up video next. But this one, I just got my Fab Fit Fun box in the mail. So, let me just cover that. So it's super cute and fall. I'm super excited about it. All the cute pumpkins and squashes and all that. So I just barely opened it. That's what it looks like inside. I have been able to keep away from any spoil alerts. Again, I've been really good about that since I started. But here's a little magazine that goes through all the pie. It's like the editor's magazine or whatever. So, super cute. Also always goes over prices in here. So, yeah. And then they always do a little HelloFresh coupon in here. And, oh, Bright Cellars, which I'm in Utah, so I doubt I could even use this. I would love to try that because I would like to try different wines. So, maybe I'll check it to see if by chance I can, but I highly doubt it. So, I am going to start here. Let me clear out some things. Okay, so first thing is I got Glow Makeup nourished with argan, coconut and argan oil. Illuminating milk for face and body. Comes in this cute packaging. And it looks like, if I can find it, this is $20. How do you open it? Oh well, I'll open it later, maybe. It's super cute packaging, so. Aha! Oh, cute. So it's this glow stuff. I'm gonna actually get some on my hand. Oh. Ooh. Nice and shimmery. It looks like it makes my skin look all healthy. I doubt you can even tell on here. But it's like really subtle. I was kind of worried that it would be intense. I did get like a shimmery one that it didn't have great reviews, but I couldn't help it. It's Harry Potter theme. It's like a face and body shimmer. It's Lumos. It's just like an Ulta brand, and I just thought it was adorable. I know this is a Fab Fit Fun box, but I also got these cute nails. They're Hufflepuff nail stickers. Super cute. So, let's get back into this. Next, I got the multivitamin mask, which is a face mask. It feels really heavy. This is going for $40. I think it might be a set. Oh yeah, there's a whole bunch of packs in here. There's 5 of them in here. So that's really nice. That'd be fun for like a girls' night or something. And then next, I got this styling cream for, I'm guessing, my hair. I'll have to look. I've been doing curly girl. As you can see, my hair is looking a lot healthier and nicer curls. But I've been starting that. So I'll have to look to see if this is curly girl approved or not. I know there's some sort of website you can look that on. This is going for $65. Oh, and it comes with a finishing cream too. So this is a set for $65. That is really expensive. So I hope I might just use it to use it, even if it isn't. It says straight or curly. So if it works on curly hair, even if it isn't curly girl approved, I might still use it. Next, I got a hair mask, it looks like, which is, it's cruelty free. That's super cute. And it's like a repair mask. That is going for $16. Not crazy expensive, but I should smell these couple products. Oh, that smells pretty nice and clean smelling. It's not super strong. I'm going to smell this really quick. Maybe. Smells really clean as well, nothing too strong, so that's good. I hate when it's a super strong smell. Next, this is Beyond Yoga. What is this? Oh, is it? Ooh, I think it's one of those scarves that has a little pocket in it, which I've kind of wanted one for travel, but there's like this zipper right here. I just didn't think it was worth it to actually buy it. Yeah, hidden pocket infinity scarf. It is $60, so that is really nice that I finally get to have one of those. I've seen people, it's really easy to travel with, and then you can just put your like ID and passport or ticket right there, or even just like a chapstick or something in there. And it's so soft too. So that I'm really excited about. It's nice and soft. Feels like really good quality too. I'm excited about that. Next is, a cuticle oil, which I don't actually have, and so this is really nice. It says it's NCLA treatment, so rich, vitamin E infused cuticle oil. This cuticle oil is, where is it on this page? Oh, it's going for $18. So, okay. Next is like this big thing right here. It is a mason jar hydration kit, which we all need. I need more hydration. I suck at drinking water. Been trying to get better as I'm just trying to treat my body with more care. Oh, this is like nice and insulated. And it's my color too. Super cute. For a, sorry, there's like little codes on here. So it's going for $35. Oh, and it's glass as well. So I assumed it is glass since it's mason jar. But you can take this sleeve off. And it has little measurements on this side too. So if you're like, hey, I need to drink certain amount of cups in a day, this will help with that. And it's super cute too. So mason jar, got this cute sleeve to keep it insulated. See if I can actually put the sleeve back on. We'll get there. Got the sleeve back on, and it has this lid. Seems like it seals pretty nice too. Clicks on. So it'll be cute to take on the go. I like that. And then I got, it says Petty in a Box. Pumpkin spice petty in a box includes sea salt soaked sugar scrub, mud mask, and massage butter. Oh, cute. And this is going for $20. Oh, there's two sets of it, so you can do it with like like a friend, you can do all of these and do like a little pedicure night. That is so cute. And it has little instructions on the back. Oh goodness. Okay, make sure that is it. Yeah, that is it. So, I'm really excited about all these new things. So, I think next I'm just going to do a winter one, and then I'm going to switch subscription boxes. I've yet to decide which one I want to do. I've been thinking of more a makeup one, but I do like doing more of a lifestyle type one since I do makeup with other stuff on my channel to change it up a bit. So I'll look at some. If you have any suggestions, let me know. I know a lot of people like Cosbox. It isn't super my vibe, but it seems like it has a lot of cute things in it as well, so I might check that out. I also want to do one. I know there's some that support local businesses, so maybe I'll look at one of those to see how much it is and see if it's worth it. And yeah, so if you do get Fab Fit Fun, let me know what you got in your box. I'm super interested. I know it has like all these things in it, which Frank Body, I have that coffee scrub and I'm obsessed with it. And I actually saw that they have a new product that came out that I want to try that helps more with like body acne, which I don't get a lot of bad body acne, but I do get some a little bit on my arm, so I want to see if that will help it. This is the other page that has a bunch of stuff on it, which has some more makeup stuff, some beauty stuff, some really nice things. There's like a whole, yeah, there is a curling one in here. Super cute things. There's so much. So yeah, let me know what you got if you do get this, or if you plan on getting it. That would be awesome. There's like all sorts of things in this magazine. There's like a recipe in here. That's super cool. I've been really into trying different recipes lately, so maybe I'll try that. But yeah, thank you for watching my channel. I'm gonna go play with some of this stuff maybe. And yeah, we'll talk to you again hopefully next week. Bye!